guys, I am currently in the process of redoing our guest room. I actually had done this the end of 2023 into last year. Plans change and now there's different furniture in this room, so I'm gonna redo it once again. So it looks kind of messy right now, so I decided I would just make a video of me kind of decorating it and adding the touches back into the room. So I'm gonna input a video of what the room looks like right here. As you can see, the room doesn't really have a cohesive theme right now. I'm just trying to make it a little bit beachy and coastal vibes, kind of how I had it before. I really liked the way that I had it before on all the decorations. So let's get started and see how long this takes.